Alright, so in this video we are going to be taking a look at shop lights. Yeah, I've never talked about shop lights, I don't think, on this channel. But anyways, on this video we are going to be taking a look at the Hyper Tough 7000 Lumen 4-foot LED shop light with wings. Reminds me of Kotex. But anyways, it comes with a motion sensor and it is linkable. So up to 4 lights linkable with wings that adjust from 0 to 150 degrees with a 120 degree motion detection at up to 8 feet. So not bad. Let's go ahead and check out some more specs here. Let's go ahead and look at the brightness. We're looking at 7,000 lumens. There's your total cost, and that total cost is looking at 3 hours per day for 7 days per week. So that could be higher or lower depending on your usage. So 400 watt equivalent, 70 actual watts with a temperature rating of 5K, and then it says it's 45 years of life, or rated for 45 years, and that's at 3 hours a day. So and 7 days a week. So yeah, also 5-year warranty. Ooh, I don't know, I've never dealt with the warranty on Hyper Tough or Walmart, but on some of the stuff that I have from them, they're still going. I mean, they're cheap stuff, but they still work, and I've never had to deal with the warranty from these guys. But let's see what else. Let's see if I can get some specs for you guys. So let me go ahead and show you guys a spec. If you want to pause the video, check that out. And then here's the 5-year limited warranty. They do have a number if you want to inquire about their or more information on their warranties. So it's 833-908-2024. So I don't know what the part number is on this, but if you go through the Walmart website, I'm sure you'll find these pretty easily. And I'll try to put a product link on the description for these. Yeah, you guys can check out that link. I think you guys can go through there, order a light, and heck, I even get a little kickback from it, a couple pennies. But that's cool if you guys do go through that and purchase one of these cool lights. But anyways, I've had one for 9 months up there on and off, and my shop's real dirty, don't mind that. But the reason why I went with that light is because of the wings. And as you can see, I got my lathe and mill here. Without that light, it gets really dark in this area. So I've adjusted the wings to give me that extra lighting to this side and actually to this side, because I have this one, which is also a Walmart light, but that doesn't have anything adjustable. So it actually only comes down to like half of the shop here, maybe less than half maybe. So this one actually has a wider pattern, and that's why I chose to use one of my shop lights for my actual work light. So I was already ready to go to Harbor Freight, spend $100, get a real fancy work light. But you know what? Inflation is pretty crazy out there. So, and I like to save money, so that's why I went with this as a engine bay work light, I guess. And then I have another one here in my shop, but not one of these, but another Walmart one. That thing's been lit 24 hours a day for about, actually I got 2. There's one there, and then there's one on this other side. But these things have been 24 hours a day for about 2 to 3 years now. Oh no. Since 2018. So yeah. So about six years. Yeah. And they're still going. I don't know. These lights are pretty cool for being Walmart lights, and they're cheap, so. But there's a view for you. Wow, those are super bright. But with those adjustable wings, I got such a wide pattern now. If I drop a tool, I could pick it up, and I can actually look at the top part here when I'm using my tools or whatever there. And then I can now have extra light for taking off the alternator or replacing the alternator on this vehicle. So yeah, really cool light. The hardware that's included with these is chains with hooks. So I had to take one of the hooks and pry it open a little bit so I can use it to be adjustable. And that's just using the existing holes on my hood there. So these work out really excellent for a hood light. And you do get some ceiling anchors there. I think those are for sheetrock. And then you get the these screw hooks, plastic ties for maybe tying up the cord, I'm not sure. But yeah, you get 4 anchors all together. You get two regular screws and 2 of these screwed hooks. So yeah, and plus the chains. That's all your mounting stuff that comes with the whole light kit. So as you can see though, it's quite illuminated here. I just like these lights. But I'll go ahead and leave a product link for you guys if you want to check that out. And let's see, what else can I say about these lights? I don't know, nothing but good things, of course. I really like the adjustable wings. Let's see, I want to check something here. Oh, they're kind of stiff, so that's what I really like about them. So these actually stay in place pretty good. And I think I'll go ahead and leave it there. But anyways, do you have some of these lights? Do you like them? What's your experience with them? Leave your comments down below. Let the people know what your experience is with them. Like I said, I've had the one in the shop for 9 months. I love these lights, so I haven't run into any problems. Not even on the cheaper Walmart lights. They've actually gone for years and years. I mean, those lights, those old lights from Walmart, they're way past their rating or their lifespan. I mean, for so many hours, for years already, we're looking maybe 20, 30 years or something. And I think those are going to have a shorter lifespan than what actually these would. But I think I'll go ahead and leave it there. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Also, tomorrow's the 4th of July. I'll be working. But I do want to wish you guys a happy and safe holiday. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.